Hyderabad state remained under the control of the Nizam. The last Nizam, Mir Usman Ali, refused to merge Hyderabad with India. The Razakars, the militia supporting the Nizam, were brutal and ruthless, imposing their will without restraint. One day, a group of women was celebrating Batukama, the traditional festival of Telangana. The Razakars stormed in, snatching away the women's clothes and forcing them to continue playing without any problem. Disturbed by the atrocities in Hyderabad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, with the support of Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, launched Operation Polo in 1948. The Indian Army surrounded Hyderabad from all directions and took control of the state. Finally, on 17 September 1948, Hyderabad was integrated into India. Since then, the Batukama festival has been celebrated across Telangana in peace and joy.